Hey, it's Mike, and today I'm at Payam Data Recovery to see how they handle a USB flash drive that even an IT support technician from Perth couldn't fix. His client's SanDisk Ultra 128GB Dual Drive Go was slowing down computers and preventing files from opening. The technician had already tried recovery tools, but his computer froze. Payam plugged it in. It appeared in Device Manager, but disk management just hung. File Scavenger also froze. As soon as Payam unplugged the drive, everything responded normally again. This is a classic sign of bad sectors or something worse. This is where professional tools make the difference. Payam used his Atola Insight, essentially a mini PC running Linux that connects via Ethernet. Anything plugged into it won't freeze his computer because it operates independently. He started cloning to a new hard drive and immediately saw read errors. Hardware imaging tools use multiple passes and custom algorithms with special timeouts to recover data without killing the drive. 3 hours later, 99.9% was cloned. But running one of Payam's favorite programs called File Scavenger by QTech revealed no file system or partition. Maybe the owner had this issue and tried to reformat it, which is a common thing we see often. Payam had to perform a long scan, checking every sector from first to last. 1 hour later, success, the files appeared. Payam saved everything to the new USB flash drive the customer supplied, tested files randomly, and they were all working perfectly. The file list generator created a complete report with video preview. Once the customer reviews and pays, it's shipped by express post at no extra charge. USB flash drives develop bad sectors from NAND flash memory degradation. Each memory cell can only be written to thousands of times before wearing out. Heavy use or old age causes cells to fail, creating bad sectors. If you're unsure whether your local IT technician or professional data recovery company can help with a similar problem, it pays to call Payam Data Recovery.